Let's take a look at these two probability problems. First, we have a train that has 5 cars. Let's just mark those 5 cars, 3, 2. So car number 1, car 2, car 3, car 4, and car 5. A commuter is twice as likely to select the middle car as either adjacent car. So if the chance of selecting the middle car is x, then the chance of selecting either adjacent car would be half that, or x over 2. And furthermore, the chance of selecting the either n car is half of selecting the either cars number 1 or 5. So that's x over 4, and that's x over 4. Okay, now to solve for x, we know that a commuter has to choose one of the cars, and so the sum of these 5 numbers, x over 4 plus x over 2 plus x over 2 plus x over 4 has to be equal to 1. Something has to happen. And so adding these up, we get that this is x over 4 plus x over 4 makes x over 2. So in solution, we get 5x over 2 is equal to 1, so that x is equal to 2/5, or 0.4. So our solution is that x has got to be 0.4, which makes selecting either car 2 or car 4 0.2, and that makes selecting either car 1 or car 5 would be 0.1. Finally, find the probability that one of the 3 middle cars is selected, so the chance that one of these 3 middle cars is selected, and that would be 0.8, 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.2. So the chance of selecting one of the 3 middle cars would be exactly 80%. Okay, so that's the first problem. The second problem, you roll 2 fair dice. Find the probability that the sum of the 2 dice is 4, and then repeat for 7. Okay, so there are 2 fair dice, so there's 36 possibilities here. So the probability of rolling a 4. Well, there's 36 possible outcomes, and of these 36, 3 of them are favorable along this diagonal here. So the first one could be 1, the second one could be 3. The first could be a 2, and the second could be a 2. Or the first could be a 3, and the second could be a 1. So there's 3 favorable out of 36 possible, and so the chance of rolling a 4 would be 1/12. For a 7, we still have 36 possible outcomes, 6 times 6. The number favorable for getting a 7 falls on this diagonal. So the numbers that I'm circling now are all the entries where the 2 dice add up to 7. There are 6 possibilities, so 6 favorable out of 36 possible, and so the chance of rolling 2 dice that add up to 7 works out to be 1/6.